We're not in the city anymore.
No, we're not.
It looks real funny when he's just in the shop, like the UV light pop out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Would you rather eat 15 pizza rolls or 15 pizza bagels?
Pizza rolls just go down easier.
I like pizza bagels. I'm hoping that I can just take this apart and I see something that's wrong. Although I do have to put plates in it regardless.
Now you're doing the plates?
Yeah, we're just gonna do plates in it. Or fiber, sorry. They really don't look horrible. Oh, this one's getting down there though. It's gotten real hot too, so.
The discoloration?
Yeah. Anytime you're gonna do clutch fibers or anything with your clutch, you're gonna wanna soak your plates overnight. We went ahead and did that last night. So we're gonna pull these out, throw them in here, put it together the right way, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then we might be looking and like taking the basket out and seeing what's going on instead. Some street footage.
Some street footage. We're not in the city anymore.
No, we're not. Big trouble in Little Paradise. We're about 2 miles outside of Romeoville. We are headed over to Gator Studios to pick up just a re-up on some of our old clothing, plus a new windbreaker, the Your Team Ain't Shit windbreakers. It was snowing this morning and all this stuff was ready to go, so we decided to shut down the shop and go on a little mini road trip. Just me and Nick, my favorite little guy. That's me. Spaghetti. How you doing? Hey, good, how are you? Good to see you. What's up with this guy?
I just hangs out. Sometimes he's pantsless. I stole his belt one day. It looks real funny when he's just in the shop, like.
There you go. Perfect. Try that on. That's why he's here. He's a model.
He is a model. That was a lot better than sending people pictures of my face. She said.
Whoa.
You want to shoot the process of making?
Yeah, absolutely. This is cool.
The lair.
Yeah.
You got your own little back cave going on back here, don't you?
Dude, we need it. So this is what we use to make the actual screen itself. This is a transparency. So you just get we'll make the screen, which is like a stencil, to push the ink through and actually make some of these garments that we're producing.
So you're making a screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. So what this is gonna do is expose it with UV light, and where this is, it won't expose, so it'll wash out, and it creates your stencil.
And that's 1,000 degrees in there? Oh, it's 900.
900. Yeah. The oven dryer, the one that cures the print, is about 900.
Wow, that looks cool.
Yeah. So now right now, no ink will make it through this right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna expose it, and it's gonna harden all of this, but this portion will be blocked from UV, and it'll wash out.
Why does it have to be so dark in here?
So this is light sensitive. All the emulsion is light sensitive. All the screens, when we coat them all, they can't be in any kind of light. UV light hits them, they'll start hardening it. When I turn this on, you'll actually see the UV light pop out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So right now it's vacuuming out the tension on the top, and then it's exposing the screen so it'll wash out.
Huh. Dude, that's fucking wild.
For recording Misguided orders, we kind of worked on one of the big ones, this one. It was about 56 screens and about 28 Pantone colors, all custom colors mixed, everything. 3-4 days.
So you had to do this 56 times?
56 times.
Okay.
3 days of mixing ink for the job, and then about a week and a half of actually printing.
3 days of just mixing the ink.
3 days of mixing inks. Yeah, because every single color was a custom Pantone color.
Eddie's got the ink.
We got it down how to mix it.
That's cool, man.
So yeah, this will actually show what the screen is, and then we'll go from here, and then it'll actually wash out. And you can see some of the washout process. So what I'm gonna do now is wet it.
There it is.
Does why don't you cool it down or?
So it's gonna take about a minute, but yeah, so what it's gonna do is the water's gonna start breaking down the actual stencil. So now from here, I'm just gonna blast it out with the pressure washer, and then the rest will fall out. And there's one screen.
That's so cool.
That's pretty wild. And then what do you do from there?
From there, it'll go into the drying cabinet or onto the cart and dry out before it goes onto the production area, basically.
That's crazy.
So then from here, then that's when you'll see them. They'll get taped up and then go onto one of the presses and then get printed.
This is your big dryer?
Yeah.
How hot does that thing get?
That one's at 1,000 degrees.
You ever send food through here?
All the time, every day.
Pizza, chicken.
Do you really?
Quesadillas.
Do you actually?
Yeah. You'll see like 10 Misguided polys come through and like a piece of pizza. Ryan's on a quesadilla kick right now, so we've been seeing a lot of quesadillas come through.
Hilarious. I fucking hate Ryan. Every time we get a fucking order, I just want to kill him. But it's like a hate and a love at the same time. So it's like, I want to strangle you, but you're paying my bills, so appreciate it.
That's a cool process.
Yeah, man. I never thought I'd be in this shit until fucking he's like, I need some help. And it went from like part-time to
So like,
full-time.
he kind of took off, right? He needed more, right? How many of you guys are here? Is it just you two?
So it's me, him, and Lexi.
Well, hey, it's been a pleasure. You got anything else you want to show us?
I mean, come pray with me one day.
Come pray with you?
Come pray with me one day. Yeah, you can come hang out at the end of the dryer and see all the shirts coming out.
Catch the quesadillas coming out.
See some quesadillas definitely.
I like the color.
Pretty cool looking. Brand new.
I was about to ask Brandon.
0 miles. Larry from Uprise dropped this off last night to get fully stunted out. He works with a local skate shop that's downtown on Milwaukee Ave. Super nice place. You gotta go check them out. We're gonna go check them out at some point. And maybe get Nick some new shoes.
I do need some shoes.
He needs shoes.
I do.
Aside from the shoes, what we're gonna do is set this thing up mildly. We're not doing a whole lot, but we're also not doing not a lot. We're gonna send the seat off to Bella. We're gonna put a nice set of dirt bars on it. He wants to leave the stock exhaust. We may do rear sets. I keep itching my eye, I'm sorry. I probably look like a psycho, huh? We're gonna put a Ferta 12 bar on it, get rid of all this ugly crap back here. So this will be cool. Again, 0 miles, doing it for a local guy that owns a local small business, so happy to help out. This thing sounds brand new.
I wonder why.
Because it is. Wow, look how brand new. So this is gonna go off to Bella to get built. He'll cover it in gripper material. And we went with the hump option, so it's gonna like build up right here.
Yeah, I think they get it.
Excited to see it when it's done. We'll just get the fucking 12 bar going, huh? This thing is ugly as hell. It's one of the things I hate about stock bikes, and everybody hates about stock bikes. This stupid thing. And all bikes come with it, and it's the first thing to go. A lot of the time they sell what's called a fender eliminator kit, which consists of different things, but we're not even gonna do that. We're just gonna take it off and put the 12 bar on with the sub cage, and it's gonna look way cooler than it does right now. So on the 2021 Groms, when you put the sub cages on, they're a little different because they have these little ears on the sides. The other sub cages that we sell do not have these. Kind of cool. Straight out of the factory, there's these little things, they just pop out and it'll expose a hole that's threaded for that ear to go into. Yeah, it's a little too easy. Maybe we don't show how easy.
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me, it's really hard. Oh, I popped the wrong ones out.